Derivatives sound complicated, but they are just contracts that get their value from something else. Let's break down how they actually work. A derivative is a financial contract between two or more parties. Its price is derived from, or dependent on, an underlying asset. The most important thing to remember is that the contract itself has no value on its own. It only matters because of the asset it tracks. While there are many complex types, most derivatives fall into these three main categories used by investors and businesses. Investors use these tools for two main reasons: to protect themselves from price swings or to bet on where they think prices are going. Because derivatives often use leverage, the potential for gain is high, but the potential for loss is significantly greater than owning the asset directly. Always remember that these tools were originally designed for risk management, not for high-stakes gambling by retail investors. Thanks for watching. Understanding the basics helps you see how markets move. Subscribe for more on how the financial system works.